Hello everyone. Maybe this problem happened to you with the LED lights, but it's not that all the light is broken. All you need is to act as in the video, follow the steps to the end and you will be amazed by the result. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share your opinion in the comments and like the video, press the subscribe button so you don't miss our videos, while in the next video you can follow a very powerful mixture of soap and gasoline. It's very interesting.